Hello, beautiful being, unafraid to be seen in the year of 2026. Radiant beingness. Breath, breath, breath. It's all about the breath. The breath, the key. The key is in the breath. So breathing with me, exhaling out. Enjoying the deepest yawns and releases and letting go into the flow of your breath, of your body, of this year. Aligning and shining in the simplicity of beingness. I'm feeling in the phase of stillness. Not that it's a lack of movement, but being very aligned within, in coherence and presence. And the yawns, it's releasing anything that's, just coming to completion, releasing old energy. And what I've discovered is I have less to say. In 2025, I got to express a lot that required expression. And in 2026, that expression feels a lot quieter, a lot simpler, a lot more grounded in the simplicity of the moment, of the breath, released from a whole lot of distortions and the beauty of timelines and lifetimes coming into convergence within me, within my soul, within my oversoul breath, to come into this integrated harmonic spiral. So just breathing that in, receiving what resonates. In authentic resonance. 2026, the year of integrity, where it's about does the energy match the words, match the actions within ourselves, within external mirrors, through others, and situations, and so forth, and just noticing what is integral alignment and what is not within ourselves and others. And also having patience for the part of us that may still be catching up with getting aligned with the action that the heart knows that the soul is calling for. So it's not about judgment, it's always about awareness, just being aware and listening deeper, dropping down into the body, allowing the breath to really move through the body as you bring your awareness down into the pelvis. Soften the shoulders, soften the jaw. Enjoy that lovely exhale. Alignment, yawning alignment 2026. Ooh. Breath alignment, breath. Oh, release through the yawns. Yeah. So yeah, in this 10 seconds, that's it. That's it. It's very simple. No big no big drama, no big spiel, no big insight. Well, it is a big insight, the breath. But yeah, there's a simplicity to it when we really come home to ourselves. Yeah. So I'll leave you with that. May you feel blessed in this year and joyfully aligned with your breath coherence and presence and joyful love and joyful beingness. And so it is.